Hello students, in today's chemistry class, I am going to start chapter 5 Language of Chemistry. And in today's class, you will study about chemical reactions and types of chemical reactions. So let's see first chemical reactions. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances react to form one or more new substances. The substances that are used as the starting material and which react with one another are called reactants. And the substances which are formed as a result of the reaction are called products. You can see through notations I have shown here. Reactants, they react to give products. For an example, carbon combines with oxygen to give out carbon dioxide. In symbolic representation, means in chemical reaction form, it will be C plus O2 gives CO2. Now, let's see about the types of chemical reactions. There are several types of chemical reactions, and out of that 4 I have listed here. Means basically there are 4 types of chemical reactions. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reactions. Third, displacement reactions. And the fourth one, double displacement reactions. In your syllabus, you will study about the first 2 reactions, that is combination reactions and decomposition reactions. So first see today about the combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So first one, combination reaction. A combination reaction is a reaction in which 2 or more substances combine to form a single new substance. And combination reaction is also called as synthesis reactions. You can see symbolically when it is represented, combination reaction A plus B, it will become AB. So this is a combination reaction. Now see the example. Some examples I have listed here. Just see, students. Carbon combines with oxygen to give CO2, that is carbon dioxide. This is a combination reaction because carbon is combining with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. In the same way, hydrogen combines with oxygen to give water. Similarly, other examples are here and some more examples are given in your textbook also. So just go through them. Now the next is decomposition reaction. The reaction in which a compound splits into 2 or more simpler substances is called as decomposition reaction. It means here a compound is split into the simpler substances. Here in notations, you can see, if we will, the decomposition reaction, if we will represent symbolically, then it will be the combined product of AB. It will break into separate products, that is A plus B. Now see some other examples of decomposition reaction. As I said, in decomposition reaction, reactant breaks down into 2 or more products. And its general form is AB splits into A plus B. Some examples are here. Carbon monoxide, it will break into carbon and oxygen. That is CO, it will give C plus O. And calcium hydroxide, when it will break, it will give calcium oxide plus water. These 2 are the examples of a decomposition reaction. Some more examples are given in your book. Just go through them. Now today's homework. What is a chemical reaction? Question number 2. Define combination reaction and decomposition reaction with example. Write these answers in your chemistry notebook. Thank you.